Okay,
He died
surgery.
1 week now,
Okay.
yeah. So we was Shabaram's engineer.
Uh-huh.
So we went on the world tour with him. We were touring with him. So we did both As Raw as Ever and Extra Naked album. So in which we got award.
Shabba Ranks. And
Shabba
the
Ranks.
other gentleman?
That's Soji
Soji.
Hamilton. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
He died a week ago.
Oh,
So
I didn't
sad.
know that.
See,
Okay.
in 1991, I was awarded the #1 engineer in Jamaica.
Brilliant.
I understand with my work.
Fantastic.
I understand. These are some same. This is same block clock here. I have so many clock to collect. So eventually I'm working on them to get in my clock, so I can have them here.
Yeah.
We did with Buju Banton. That's me here with Buju. We in '95 when we did the famous Still Shiloh.
Okay.
The Shallow album, and this summer after that we did the very someone Love from a Distance, as I said, Jack Cure, Free Jack Cure songs like Sunny Day, I Pray.
I don't know this
You
one,
see,
but
I guess we hear
Selby
Alright.
Studio
Yeah.
Tour here.
you know,
Kingston.
and there's so much you know